Potato egg melange is a simple and healthy breakfast idea. It can be prepared under 30 minutes. Yes, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned as I show you how to prepare this sumptuous meal. Welcome to Dioma Kitchen, where delicious creations begin. For this dish, we'll use sweet potato and Irish potato. You peel it and dice it into small cubes so it can cook fast. Allow it to cook, let it not be too soft so that when you're turning it out with the stir fry, it will not pieces. So for the stir fry, we'll use green beans, carrots, bell pepper, fresh tomato, onions. So you dice the tomato. I diced it the way my mama taught me how to. It has its own technique. So if you can't do this, please get your chopping board to avoid cutting yourself. Also chop the onions. You can chop it the way you want. This is how I want the onion in my meal. So we use 5 eggs for this dish. Break it and whisk it very well. We'll also dice and slice the other veggies for the stir fry. So start making the stir fry by pouring a vegetable oil. Allow it to heat a bit. Then you add the sliced green bell pepper. Not all, just use a little bit of it so it can release its sweet flavor in the oil. Then add little curry powder also for flavor. This is a outburst of combined flavor in this dish. So after which you now add the diced tomato and onions. This dish quantity can feed at least 4 adults. So while it's frying, we'll start adding other ingredients in the dish. You add dry pepper. You can use fresh pepper if you have or if you want. Add salt to taste and you stir. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is wonderful. Combination of different natural flavors. Then you add the seasoning cubes to taste. We all have our threshold for salt and seasoning cubes and pepper, so you add it the way it's okay for you. Then you allow it to keep frying. Then add the green beans and turn. You allow this to fry for a while. Before adding the egg so that the green beans can cook a bit. So after which you now level it up. Then pour the egg. Pour it in such a way every part of the stir fry gets a bit of egg. It has to go round. Don't just pour it in the middle or just pour it haphazardly. Make sure you pour it in neatly. Then you cover to cook for about a minute. After it has cooked for about a minute, you then pour the cooked potato. Then turn it gently so that the potato won't disease or break too much. So you have to gently, very gently turn the dish, because this dish is a gentle dish. Wow, ain't you loving what you're seeing already? We are not done yet though, so don't go anywhere. We still have more things to add to this sumptuous breakfast. So you gently turn it, then we add the chopped carrots and the remaining green bell pepper. Then cover on low heat to steam for another minute so the egg can cook well and the veggies you just added can also steam. God. Oh, I feel hungry already. This is breakfast. Oh, don't mind my voice. It's the voice of someone who is already yearning to just dig in and start eating and eating and eating and eating. Me, I like good food though. So if you are a candidate of healthy breakfast, please don't miss this. Try cooking this and you'll be happy. You'll be glad you did. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, follow, subscribe to Dioma Kitchens for more delicious, sumptuous and mouth-watering delicacies. We are bringing more things to the table. Please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.